Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so Fear and Greed, Fear 39. So you know how, I don't know, maybe don't, maybe if it's a while you follow me, well, you know that when the market it's in fear, I'm usually a buyer. And yeah, so the more red it can be, the more I'm going to start to buy. For the moment, honestly, I don't find it's that conclusive. I'm looking for yeah, like more fear. Okay, so this is hot, and you can see, look on the daily, RSI is reaching higher levels, stock RSI the same. And I did tell you, I don't know if you saw my last video or last 2-3 videos when we were here. I did tell you I'm looking forward for a third wave. So just to recap a little bit, I believe this is the wave 1, all this is wave 2, and if I do micro county, possibly this is the 1, 2, and then yeah, honestly, now this could be the third wave in purple, but I mean, this chart is so messy that I need to be honest, I'm having a hard time to read and do micro counting in this chart. But you know, a lot of time, let's just pull back and check. You know, this is wave A 1, A overshooting wave B 2, and now yeah, this one maybe it's just an A, B, and a C for the third wave, and that would make sense. And is this third finished, or is still going higher? I did tell you this was a level that we need to pay attention. It did act as a resistance for so long. I mean, since October 2023, so that's a long time, right? And if I do scale out a little bit, zoom out, you can see that, you know, if I draw this trend line, we are there now and acting as well as a resistance. So this is a big challenge for hot end mining, and unfortunately Bitcoin is moody. Yeah, so I fear that yeah, this is wave 1, this is wave 2, and this was our third wave. We did reach the 1.2, actually 7.2, I don't know what's that level, man. What? 1,238. Okay. And yeah, so now we are seeing some price reaction, as you can see, going kind of on a side, and now we're losing momentum, right? So the first, well, I would say if we lose the 1482, then I would say we are going to initiate this yeah, correction. And if this was again micro counting, this is wave 1, all this wave 2, and this was a crazy diagonal, or if I do some micro counting, this was the 1 ABC for 2, you see, and then now this was an ABC for the third wave. I mean, yeah, it's becoming honestly crazy a little bit. But anyway, if I count this movement as a third wave, let's see the fib retracement, where they say we should not go lower. Then let me see here. Wait for diagonal. So as you can see, we already reached the 0.236, and these are the next level that we need to pay attention of. I do believe, yeah, honestly, the 0.5 is the one that it catches more my eye, because it's almost the same level at the MA 200. Possibly soon we're going to have a golden cross when the MA 50 is going to overcross the MA 200. That could be, I mean, this is a bullish sign. For sure, it's delayed sign, right? Because If it does that, it's because of all this move up. So if price can hold $13.50 or something like that, 13.10, by the time the MA 200 is going to go there, maybe 13.20, then we could do this maybe fifth wave and complete the bigger third wave in blue, light blue. And after that, we're going to be ready to do a bigger correction for the wave 4 and another wave for the fifth wave. And that will be just the third wave. Let's not forget, often the third wave are extended. So let's see if we can do that. But I mean, worst case scenario, it's going to board us. Oh man, my greatest fear now, it's just doing this side, and maybe we're going to go and touch another time this lower level here, and then do that. Now I'm missing room. Yeah, and then we could do that for a while and then start to skyrocket. Is that like September or something like that? Yeah, see, exactly. So this is my greatest fear now. It's if it's still going up, kind of, but still not there yet for this, let's call it altcoin season of stocks. No, I'm joking now, but yeah, well, I don't know, maybe how can you call that, man? Like stock season, minor seasons, something like that. So I am looking forward for this mining season, but it just, I don't see it for the moment. But if we can definitely, do a 1, 2, possibly now the third wave is done. If we can reach and just do a shallow, it would be ideal anywhere between 14, 19 and 13.50, because it's going to show some strength into this chart, and then after it, we can go and reach higher levels. So once again, I did do the fib extension 2281 for the fifth wave, if it does work out. So this is the structure that I'm looking forward now. It's important to see the structure, but even more the levels, because if we don't see any reaction here and it really plunged quickly and doesn't interact in any fib retracements levels, then this chart is going to get destroyed again. And I'm looking, around another time $10-11 and touch this lower trend line. All right, so I think that's pretty much all. Let me see the fibs. I think I checked them before. I want to go on the daily and see. You see, everything, all this, the RSIs are kind of overbought already. So yeah, let's go on the 12 hours, see something. 12 hours as well. I do believe this, it's ready for a pullback. I almost maybe thinking maybe I should take a little bit of profits and buy back lower. Anyway, that's not financial advice. This is what I'm exploring. More likely, that's what I'm going to do. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.